Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. It's peach season. I'm back with another peachy recipe. Look at the pretty peaches. So, my neighbors up there at Green's Fruit Farm have the most delicious, beautiful peaches right now. They're available at their farm stand on Route 487, north out of Elysburg, going towards Catawissa on the left-hand side. You can't miss them, and they have everything else besides, along with partnering from some other local farmers with proteins and jams. They have their own pear and apple butters and pumpkin butters, just all kinds of good stuff. Raw milk, raw milk cheese. Just check them out. The produce is fabulous. And if you miss them, further on down 487, almost into Catawissa on the left-hand side, is Roebuck's Farm Market. They also have wonderful produce, beautiful orchards, and if you're hungry, upstairs is Big Dan's Barbecue. Fabulous brisket. Give it a check out. So, I made peach glazed chicken before. Today I am making a peach puff pastry dessert with almonds. So, let's get to it. This isn't real hard. It's only a few ingredients, but I think it's going to be fantastic. The ingredients for this, for a single batch, are a couple peaches, one sheet of puff pastry. I'm using Pepperidge Farm, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of flour, an egg, some cinnamon, vanilla, slivered almonds, and then over here on the right is confectioner's sugar, milk, and vanilla. That's going to be for the glaze drizzled over the top. Now, the recipe I gave you in the description below is for one batch. One batch is 1 sheet of pastry, okay, and 2 peaches and what I showed you. But I am actually myself making a double batch today. So we're going to take the puff pastry and we're going to cut it into 9 pretty equal pieces. And I'm then going to place them on parchment paper on my baking sheet. So it looks like this. And now we get to the next part. Next I'm going to sprinkle this with sugar, the flour, the cinnamon, and the vanilla. I'm just going to gently fold this to get it mixed. That looks pretty good. We're going to take the peaches and put it on our puff pastry now, and then we'll do the outside edges brush with the beaten egg, and then we're going to top with slivered almonds. Be careful not to get juice on the pastry on the outside of the peach, because we'll be brushing that with the egg yolk. Okay, that part's done. If you see any juice that you got on the outside, just dab it with paper towel or napkin. Get that off. Get the edges good here with the brushed egg yolk. Now we're going to put some of the slivered almonds on top. And then these are going to go into my 400-degree oven. So, let's get baking. Now while they're baking, next we make a quick glaze. It's a half a cup of powdered sugar, a couple tablespoons, 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk, I think a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and then we'll get some drizzling action. Here they are out of the oven, and now we're going to put our glaze on them. And there they are, done with the glaze. You know what comes next. Time for the taste test. Here's what it looks like. Look how lovely that looks. Yummy. Oh my God. This is so good. This is Moorish, guys. You need these in your life. Seriously. And I'm sure other fruit would work as well for this. Maybe like blueberries with a lemon glaze across the top. So once again, those are my peach and almond puff pastry tarts. Man, they are good. It's an easy recipe. This comes together in no time. This would be something great to also take away with you. Just keep them chilled, but really, really good. So I got my peaches once again from Green's Fruit Farm outside of Gilliesburg on Route 47. But you can also get them at Rohrbox, also on Route 47 going into Catawissa. Now's the time for all this wonderful fruit. Take advantage of it. If you can it, freeze it, put it up, make it, eat it. See you next time.